Be answering WAEC 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 25. The Malthusian theory of population was proved wrong because A. The practice of subsistence farming was encouraged. B. Developing countries adopted birth control method. C. New lands and new method of production were discovered. D. Malthus's view was seen as an exaggeration. So the concept we are looking at here is the Malthusian theory of population, and basically the Malthusian theory of population, or also known as Malthusianism is basically the idea that population growth is potentially exponential, while growth of food supply or production is linear. So based on relationship, it is the idea that with increase in population, there won't exactly be enough resources, because the growth in resources is linear, so it continues that way. Now, for this theory, the theory was basically proven wrong by decline in birth rate, basically. And this decline in birth rate in most developing countries was largely due to the advent of birth control. Therefore, the Malthusian theory, which was postulated by Reverend Thomas Matthews, was proven wrong. Therefore, the correct answer to the question is option B, which is developing countries adopted birth control methods. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more past questions and answers, and also for more videos. Thank you.